Sudden blurry vision. Main causes. People experiencing sudden blurry vision may find it difficult to see clearly or manage their usual task. Although not all instances are a cause for concern, some may require medical treatment. Watch this video for more information on what can cause sudden blurry vision, when to seek urgent medical advice. Detached retina. A detached retina occurs when the retina, which is the thin layer at the back of the eye, pulls away from the blood vessels that provide it with essential oxygen and nutrients. According to the National Eye Institute, symptoms can appear quickly without rapid treatment. Permanent damage and vision loss can occur. Symptoms can include gray or black specks floating in their vision, a shadow on the sides or middle of the person's vision, flashes of light that can occur in one or both eyes. Treatment. There may be permanent damage to vision without rapid treatment. Treatment will include reattaching the retina. A doctor may recommend freeze treatment, laser surgery, or surgery. Concussion. A concussion occurs when a person experiences an injury to the head. Along with visual changes, symptoms of a concussion can include changes in mood, confusion, amnesia, headache, dizziness, drowsiness. Treatment. After a doctor has ensured that the injury is not severe, treatment focuses on reducing the symptoms. A person may need to rest for roughly 24 to 48 hours. A person can also take over-the-counter analgesics to help reduce headache symptoms. According to a 2020 article, a person should avoid taking medications that can alter a person's cognitive function and sleep patterns, as this might hide symptoms of a concussion. Strokes can cause vision to become blurry in one or both eyes. Symptoms of a stroke include numbness in the face, leg, or arm, typically on one side of the body, confusion and difficulty speaking or understanding, difficulty seeing in one or both eyes, difficulty walking, as well as dizziness and lack of coordination, sudden and severe headache. If a person thinks that someone is experiencing a stroke, they should call the emergency services immediately and follow the procedure set out by the acronym FAST. A for face. Ask the person to smile and note if one side of the face has dropped. A for arms. Ask the person to raise both of their arms and note if one arm drifts downwards. S for speech. Ask a person to repeat a simple phrase. Make a note if they slur their speech. T for time. If any of the above has occurred, call the emergency services immediately. Treatment. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), treatments are more effective within 3 hours of the onset of the first symptoms. Treatment for a stroke will depend on the type of stroke, which part of the brain it affects, and what caused the stroke. Endophthalmitis. Endophthalmitis is a severe infection and inflammation of the fluid or tissue inside the eye, as well as sudden blurry vision. Symptoms may include eye pain, redness, sensitivity to light. According to the American Academy of Ophthalmology, blindness can occur if a person does not receive treatment quickly. Treatment. Treatment can include antibiotic or antifungal injections. Emergency surgery may be necessary. Hyphema. A hyphema occurs when blood pools in the eye. Injury, trauma, and infections can cause a hyphema. Symptoms may include bleeding in the eye, light sensitivity, pain, blurry vision. Treatment. To treat a hyphema, a person may need to wear a shield over the eye. Rest. Raise the head of the bed to help the eye drain. A person may also need eye drops. If the hyphema causes high pressure in the eye, an ophthalmologist may offer to remove the blood surgically. Giant cell arteritis or GCA. GCA or temporal arteritis is an inflammation of the blood vessels in the temples. As well as blurry vision, a person with GCA may also experience headaches. According to the American College of Rheumatology, it only affects adults, typically those over the age of 50. Treatment. Treatment with corticosteroids should begin as soon as possible to help prevent permanent damage to vision. Age-related macular degeneration. Age-related macular degeneration or AMD is a disease that can affect the retina, causing vision to become blurry. According to the National Eye Institute, AMD is more common in older adults and it can occur in one or both eyes. Treatment. According to the National Eye Institute, there is no treatment for the early stages of AMD. Lifestyle changes such as giving up smoking can help to slow its progression in the early stages. If the disease progresses, a doctor may recommend injections of medications into the eye to improve symptoms or laser treatment to slow vision loss. Macular hole. Macular holes are small breaks or tears in the macula and typically affects adults over the age of 60. People with a macular hole may notice distortion or blurriness when they look straight ahead, and straight lines may appear wavy. Treatment. Some macular holes can reappear themselves over time. However, in most cases a doctor will recommend a surgical procedure called a vitrectomy. Optic nerve inflammation or optic neuritis. The optic nerve connects the eye and the brain, transferring visual information from the retina to the brain. Inflammation of the nerve can cause vision to become distorted or blurry. Symptoms include pain around the eyes, loss of color vision, flashing lights. Treatment. Optic neuritis typically improves on its own. However, if symptoms are severe, a doctor may prescribe steroids to speed up the recovery. Eating a healthful, balanced diet, staying hydrated, and not smoking may also help. Eye infections. Some eye infections may require swift medical treatment depending on the severity of the symptoms. Keratitis. Keratitis is inflammation or infection of the cornea. Symptoms include tearing, redness, irritation, and pain in the eye. Treatment will depend on the underlying reason for the inflammation but may include antibiotic, antiviral, or antifungal medication in the form of eye drops or pills. Conjunctivitis. Conjunctivitis is a bacterial or viral infection that affects the blood vessels in the membrane around the eyeball. Allergies can also cause conjunctivitis. Symptoms may include blurry vision, eye discharge, and pink or red coloration of the whites of the eyes. A doctor may prescribe topical or oral antibiotics for a bacterial infection and recommend over-the-counter antihistamines for conjunctivitis triggered by an allergy. There is no treatment for a viral infection. Orbital cellulitis. Cellulitis is a bacterial or fungal infection that can affect the eyelids and the eyeball. Symptoms may also include bulging of the eye, trouble moving the eye, and fever. Treatment may include antibiotics or surgery to drain fluid from the eye. Migraine. Migraine attacks are sometimes preceded by an aura, which can cause blurry vision and flashing lights. Treatment. Treatment can involve preventing and relieving the symptoms during the migraine attack. Prevention typically involves medications and behavioral changes. Taking prescribed medication should help to ease symptoms. Eye strain. Using screens for a long time for focusing on something for an extended period without a break can cause eye strain. This may lead to sudden blurry vision, itchy eyes, or headaches. Taking regular breaks to rest your eyes will help relieve the symptoms. When to seek help. People with sudden blurry vision and one or more of the following symptoms of a stroke should go to their nearest emergency center. Numbness or weakness in the face, leg, or arm on one side of the body. Confusion and difficulty speaking or understanding others. Difficulty walking, dizziness, or lack of coordination. A severe headache. Vision loss or blurry vision accompanied by severe eye pain needs immediate treatment. This will help to prevent further damage to the eye or help to identify a serious underlying health condition that has caused the blurry vision.